Hey there, Expansior family. Welcome back to another thrilling episode. Today, we've got a hot topic on our hands: the future of Binance and the broader crypto space after recent developments. I'm Dan, and if you haven't subscribed yet, now's the perfect time to hit that button and join our crypto community. All right, let's get right into it. Before we delve into the future, let's address the elephant in the room. Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange, recently agreed to pay a whopping $4.3 billion to settle charges related to breaking sanctions and violating money transmitting laws. Founder Changpeng, CZ Zhao, pleaded guilty to violating the Bank Secrecy Act, causing a financial institution to violate the BSA. This has significant legal implications not just for CZ, but for the entire Binance platform. In the aftermath of this settlement, Binance is now required to appoint an independent compliance monitor for 3 years. Additionally, the exchange must report its compliance efforts to the US government. This marks a crucial moment as it's the largest settlement in the history of the US Treasury Department. This development comes on the heels of another major victory for the US government against big crypto players. Just weeks ago, FTX founder Sam Bankman-Fried was found guilty of fraud and conspiracy charges tied to his crypto exchange. It's clear that regulatory scrutiny in the crypto space is intensifying. Now, how will these legal challenges and regulatory hurdles affect the future of Binance, especially considering the recent developments involving CZ? One scenario is a potential change in leadership, which could influence the platform's strategy and direction. Talking about a change in leadership, fresh news off the press is that Richard Teng has been appointed as the new CEO of Binance, replacing Changpeng CZ Zhao. Teng joined Binance just over 2 years ago and quickly ascended through the ranks as the company faced regulatory pressures. He brings a wealth of experience in traditional financial and regulatory sectors, including roles at the Monetary Authority of Singapore and the Abu Dhabi global market. His primary focus is to reassure Binance's 150 million users about the company's financial robustness, security measures, and overall safety. Despite the Justice Department's hefty penalty of $4.3 billion, Teng reiterates that Binance is here to stay and its foundation is stronger than ever. However, challenges loom on the horizon, including reputational storms and US regulators seeking to ban the company, accusing it of operating illegally within the country. In his first public statement since assuming the role, Mr. Teng expressed his honor in taking on the role. As we know, Binance's fate is closely tied to Binance Coin, BNB. The recent uncertainties could impact market sentiment and the value of BNB. Investors and traders are closely watching how the market responds to these legal developments. Despite these challenges, Binance remains a major player in the crypto space. The appointment of an independent compliance monitor signals a commitment to regulatory compliance. How Binance navigates these challenges and adapts to the changing regulatory landscape will be pivotal in shaping its future. Shifting our focus beyond Binance, let's talk about the broader crypto landscape. We're witnessing a dynamic industry with increased institutional interest, the rapid growth of decentralized finance, DeFi, and ongoing advancements in blockchain technology. In the face of regulatory challenges, crypto platforms, including Binance, will need to innovate and adapt. The crypto community is resilient, and we've seen new projects and players emerge, challenging the traditional order. Speaking of the crypto community, its response to these challenges will play a crucial role. The resilience and adaptability of the community have been evident in the past, and we anticipate that trend to continue. The impact of Binance's $4.3 billion settlement resonates beyond US borders. As a global cryptocurrency exchange, Binance serves users from various countries. The settlement raises questions about how international regulatory bodies will respond and whether other countries will follow suit with their own investigations. In response to the settlement, Binance has a challenging road ahead in terms of damage control. Rebuilding trust with users, investors, and the broader crypto community will be crucial. Transparent communication about compliance efforts and a commitment to rectifying any shortcomings will be paramount for Binance's reputation. The crypto market is notoriously volatile, and recent events surrounding Binance and other major players contribute to this volatility. Investor confidence may be shaken, impacting trading volumes and market dynamics. It's essential for investors to stay informed and be prepared for potential market fluctuations in the coming months. Facing regulatory challenges and leadership uncertainties, Binance may undergo a strategic shift. This could involve a stronger focus on regulatory compliance, enhanced security measures, and a re-evaluation of its global operations. How well Binance adapts to these changes will determine its resilience in the evolving crypto landscape. Shifting our focus to broader market trends, the increasing interest from institutional players is a significant factor. Institutional adoption brings both opportunities and challenges to the crypto space. Binance and other exchanges must navigate this shift, addressing the unique needs and expectations of institutional investors. Another major trend is the rapid evolution of decentralized finance, DeFi. DeFi projects are reshaping traditional financial services on the blockchain. Binance and other exchanges may need to adapt their business models to incorporate DeFi elements or risk losing market share to these innovative platforms. Technological advancements, especially in blockchain technology, continue to drive the industry forward. The development of scalable and sustainable blockchain solutions is vital for the long-term success of crypto platforms. Binance's ability to embrace and integrate cutting-edge technologies will be a key factor in its competitiveness. In light of recent regulatory challenges, collaboration within the crypto industry and with regulatory bodies becomes essential. Establishing clear guidelines and standards will benefit the entire ecosystem. Binance, as a leading player, has an opportunity to take a proactive role in shaping the regulatory landscape. As we wrap up this extensive analysis, it's clear that the future of Binance and the broader crypto space is intricately linked to regulatory developments, technological advancements, and market trends. The challenges ahead are substantial, but so are the opportunities for growth, innovation, and positive change. If you found value in today's analysis, don't forget to show your support by liking this video, sharing it with your crypto community, and leaving your insights in the comments below. Subscribe for more deep dives into the world of FX and crypto. Until next time, stay informed, stay resilient, and stay tuned to Expansior FX and Crypto.